been brought to us by We4 News. We're going to call up on stage our next batch, boys from contestants 17 to 24. Can we please have on stage?
Dr. Sapna Dhananjay.
Hi, Satwik. Yeah. How do beauty contests promote equality between sexes?
I think
How do beauty contests promote equality between sexes?
I mean, it's depend upon the height and it's depend upon the height
Huh? Come.
and way of walking. Everything is a variation in the both the sexes. I mean, female and men.
Okay.
And I think you tell him the question. I think they didn't understand the question.
How do beauty contests promote equality between sexes?
The question is, how do beauty contests promote equality between sexes? Between men and women, how do they promote equality?
I mean, men's will be in some other ads like that.
Yeah, I think you asked me another question.
You want another question?
Yes, yes.
If you were to be reborn, whom would you choose to be born as? Mother Teresa or Gandhi? And why?
It would be Mother Teresa because she is very helpful for the socials, and she's a well known in India and all around the world.
Thank you.
Our next contestant is contestant 18.
Deepak Ramani.
Hi, you're Gopal, right?
Yeah.
Hi Gopal, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Gopal, if you could live in someone else's shoes for one day,
Sorry?
if you were to be given a chance to live in somebody else's shoes for one day,
Okay.
who would you choose and why?
Can you repeat the question once?
If you could live in someone else's shoes for a day, who would it be and why?
It will be Sachin Tendulkar.
Fantastic.
Yeah, I'm a great fan of.
He's retiring, by the way.
Yeah, it's okay. But yeah, he has the records, and no one can beat it. That's what I feel, and I'm a great fan of him. he has really, from past 20 years, he has achieved a lot in the cricket industry. So that's what I want to leave with you. One day, if I give a chance.
Super, thanks.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you. Next contestant, contestant 19.
It's Deepak Ramani.
Nikhil, right?
Yes, sir.
Hi, Nikhil.
Hello, sir.
How important is it to look your best at all points of time, and why?
Well,
How important is it?
okay. Well, it is pretty important. Like for me, of course, it is important. Well, because wherever you go, people see. Initially, when you enter, it's from your appearance. People make out how you are. But that is one point. But then you have to act better too, because behavior is ultimate. What do you say? The thing people will look in you. So I believe both looking good is really needed and behavior is a must. Anything else, sir?
Okay, thanks a lot. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Contestant 20, you're next.
Dr. Sapna.
Hi, Pankaj.
Good evening.
Good evening. Do you think a title holder should or should not express his religious faith in public?
I say he should express his religious views because we are born with one religion and we have to take care of that religion and make sure it's not dead or something like we should promote our religion, I feel.
Thank you.
Next up, contestant 21.
Vijay Shetty Shetty. Vijay Shetty Shetty.
Hi, no, it's me. तो शेट्टी किधर है? I just want to know, how old are you now? 18?
18, sir.
18. What would you advise children? You know, you must have gone through 18 years of your life. So if you are called to give a lecture in a school for children, you know, maybe less than 10 years old or 8 years, so what will be the piece of advice you would give? I would like you to speak for 1
So
minute.
advice to children
Yeah.
from me, from my side.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
I would tell them like not to bunk the classes mainly because I bunked the classes and I didn't get the hall ticket also. Very hardly I got the hall ticket. And they have to, I will tell that you have to work hard for the studies because studies is everything nowadays. And for every job they need to have some qualifications and much more. Thanks.
Nothing else, that's it?
No,
They call you for a lecture and you बोलेगा bunk मत कर.
yes sir, pardon sir.
I'm saying if they call you to give a speech,
Yeah.
a lecture and advice for children, so I would like to speak for some more longer time, you know, what advice you would give? Can you give some?
Not to make fun of teachers and not to make some noise in the class and to study well. Actually, my teachers give the same advice, so
Okay, fine. Thank you.
thanks.
Thank you. Up next, contestant 22.
Good evening, sir. It's Mr. Deepak Ramani.
Hi, Pawan.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Very good evening. When have you been very proud of yourself in life, and why?
I did not get the first part of the question.
When have you been very proud of yourself
Okay.
in life,
Oh.
and why?
So it was maybe in 2008 I won Mr. Bangalore. That was the first time I was proud of myself. And I again won on 2009 and again I did it in 2011. So the proudest moment would be 2011 when I won the third time. So people started recognizing me in Bangalore. So this is the reason why I'm
Super, super.
Thank you, sir.
Fantastic. Thanks.
Thank you. Contestant 23.
Sapna.
Hi, Vijay. Is it right to hold beauty contest for children below 12 years?
Pardon?
Is it right to hold beauty contest for children below 12 years?
It should be, because they will know what is the contest. They will get the idea for future.
Thank you.
Thank you. And the last contestant, 24.
Deepak Raman.
What's your name?
Kaushik Patali.
Hi Kaushik, how are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
Very, very fine. Thank you so much. You're looking nice. Yeah. What do you think about cosmetic surgery in beauty pageant competitions? Does it give an unfair advantage to the contestant? Why?
So, pardon me, some other question.
If it were possible for you to take one thing along with you after death, if it were possible for you to take one thing along with you after death, what would it be and why?
I like someone a lot, sir, but I can't tell it here. I'll like to take that person with me. You might have understood, sir.
क्या इतना स्मार्ट दिखता है, अच्छा आंसर देना.
Yeah, my girlfriend.
उस बेचारी को क्यों मारेगा यार, उसको तो जीने देना है. Thanks so much. God bless you.
Yeah, she must be very happy after you go.
Thank you so much. That was the end of this batch. Thank you so much, boys. Brilliant.